then Loewe, of course, 20,000 yen bag. And then Celine, 75,000 yen. Most of Book of Super Bazaar, they are offering a tax-free for all the tourists here in Japan. Better make sure that you bring your passport with you so you can avail the tax-free. Still have some bags here, guys. 28,000 Loewe. And then Celine, of course, 30,000 Celine bag. YSL and Versace wallet and purses. The good thing about Book of Super Bazaar, guys, is that they accept card, cash, electronic payment as well. So most of the bags here are in good condition, very pristine, wala masyadong gamit, wala masyadong gas-gas, as in talagang para siyang bago. And I love about that, guys. Michael Kors. Here is another Michael Kors. 6,000 yen. And 10,000 yen. 6,000 yen Michael Kors. Michael Kors, 20,000 yen. 20,000 yen. That's 14,000 yen. And this is Michael Kors, 6,000 yen. And then 7,000 yen. If I can be honest with you guys, I also have here much cheaper one, but in very good condition. So ito yung mga section na talagang abot kaya, 10,000 below. What's this? 4,000 yen. This one, 6,000 yen.